get ready, get set, because it's movie night. It's so refreshing. I love it. Ripped my heart out, shred it into little pieces, and throw it out the window. So today I am very, very excited because we are switching gears and going for some romance vibes, some happy vibes and happy feels. Well, I'm hoping it's happy because we are going to be watching Fruits Basket Season 3, the last season and Episode 1. So I'm super excited for this because I actually remember reading the entire series, the entire manga, and watching the original, I think, anime made when it was in the 2000s. So I have some vague memories and some fond nostalgia associated with it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'll just pause this for a second. Who thinks this is a good idea? Let's have a party, but let's kill all the fun elements of it by having it the same type of party, or banquet as he's calling it, forever unchanging. You know what I mean? It's like the point of the party is that it's different, it adds that fun element, and that each time it's a different type of celebration. Oh wow, is this a new theme song? It's so refreshing. I love the beat. I love that it's not the typical shoujo upbeat type of theme song. It's so refreshing. I love it. Ah, I love them. I love them too. I'm gonna say that about every single character at this point. Oh, I really like that theme song. Oh yeah, I forgot. I kind of suspected it, but I'm still really surprised Akito is a girl. So there's someone above Akito? So there's someone even Akito is afraid of? So, long-haired Akito. I mean, she's not wrong. What the heck is going on? Wait, I forgot. Who is Akira again? Oh, well that's kind of weird to kind of just wake up to that. I feel like I signed up for something lighthearted. And I forgot that we ended on a crazy tense moment in the last season. Well, at least he's being honest and upfront about it. I don't even know what you would say in this type of situation. Oh, so Rin knows the truth now too. What? This is so unfair though. To all of them. I feel like this type of relationship is just really unhealthy and really unfair to all of them. My heartstrings. Oh gosh. Oh, why did I think this was the mom? Oh, I love her. Yeah, something did happen. Call her. Wait, how does he know? What's he gonna do? Oh wow. Wow. She really sticks to a theme. I love how everything matches the whole black and purple theme. Oh. We all need a true friend who can magically appear when we're sad or mentally crying out loud. Oh, I feel bad for Arisa. She doesn't even know this whole thing's going on. I signed up for some happy scenes and Kyo and Tohru scenes, not this. Oh, Tohru. Oh my god, there's a car. Is he just standing in the middle of the road? Oh my goodness, if they pull like a K-drama moment and have him get hit by a car. Dude, please don't stand in the middle of the road. Oh my god, go back to Kyo. Oh, so the little brother went to go get Ulu-chan. Oh. I know I said I watched this for romance, but I really enjoy the relationships and the friendships in it. Especially between these three. No. Oh my god. I did not ask for this heartstrings tugging moment. I love how this kid is just low-key dishing out wise advice. I wonder how she's gonna throw a party. Oh, what? Oh gosh, where is she going? I really have a bad feeling about this. This is the rule of thumb in every show and series. Never go anywhere investigating or exploring alone. Something bad is always bound to happen if you're alone. And look. Just look. Gosh, no. Say no, thank you, and please go. No. No. Oh, Kyo brought it back. Her scarf. Oh, he noticed. Oh, he noticed and he got it for her. And he washed it. Oh, so cute. I wait a whole episode for this, guys. Just this. Oh gosh, she's drinking milk right from the carton. What did he make? Oh. Where to even begin here? I love it and didn't love it at the same time. I love the pacing of this episode. I was really excited. I had such high, positive, happy thoughts and hopes. And you know, I was just gearing myself towards, yay, we're gonna have more Kyo and Tohru moments, maybe some develop in that relationship here. But no, 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 of course not. Just, no. They just ripped my heart out, shred it into little pieces, and threw it out the window. We got all of these tense scenes and moments and secrets being spilled and developments and then they had the audacity to just end it on a little happy note. It's like they gave me a little breadcrumb for all of the emotional anguish they put me through in this episode. And it's just like, oh, by the way, here's a Kyo and Tohru moment that you asked for. So yeah, I feel a bunch of mixed emotions. I love it. I certainly do wish there were more Kyo and Tohru moments, but it's fine. We are fine. It's okay.
This is fine. I'm okay with the events that are unfolding currently. That's okay.
Comment below, let me know your thoughts on what you think is going to happen next. And if you have already watched ahead of me, let me know. You know, just please give me some hope. Tell me that there are more Tohru and Kyo moments because my heart can't handle much more of this. Alright, that's all for tonight, guys. Thanks for joining me in tonight's episode, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!